In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post photos or videos on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads app, then tap right here to start creating a thread, and all we have to do now in order to post a photo or video is just tap at that paperclip icon. That will open up your camera roll, and from here we can choose a photo or multiple photos at the same time, and then we can just tap at add. The photo will be uploaded to Threads, and then also we can add there some text. Also we can choose who can reply to our thread. We can tap where it says anyone can reply, and then we can change it to profiles you follow or mentioned only. Once we're done with that, we can just tap at post. That's how you can easily post photos and videos on Threads.